हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। बाकी भूल गया, मैम आएंगे तो
फिर
बताएंगे।
तूने माय चैनल बोला ना।
हाँ, मैंने बोला हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। बाकी मैं भूल गया, बाकी आप आएंगे तो बताएंगे। मैंने
ये भी भूल गया कि चैनल मेरा है, तेरा नहीं है।
हाँ, नहीं आपका है।
हाँ, तू गेस्ट अपीयरेंस में है। हाँ, ये चैनल खोलेगा, आगे क्या बोलना है तो मालूम ही नहीं। आज कौन आ रहा है मालूम है क्या तेरे को?
हाँ जी मैम, मैं बचपन में जो था ना तो मदर इंडिया देखा था, और नाम मैं भूल गया।
आज
नरगिस जी आ रहे।
नरगिस जी, मदर इंडिया वाली नरगिस।
हाँ, मैं बचपन में गांव में था ना तो
तेरे बचपन के अभी आ रही है हमारे साथ कुकिंग करने।
जी।
आई रेस्ट माई केस। आगे बोल बोल। गॉड, मैं कहाँ फंस गई? Hi, who's my girl with the Chanel
Oh,
bag?
thanks. It's my.
Wow.
It's just like my.
Thanks
own
for this
gym-
gift
Oh
that you have
yes,
bought for
of
me.
course. Please take it away.
I love you so much. You're the
Yeah.
first guest who has
Yeah.
brought such a big gift.
Yes. This is for me. I'm sorry.
But this अंग्रेज that has come, हमारे घर में भी पानी
नहीं
मिलता है।
नहीं क्योंकि plastic बहुत बुरा for your body. So, but actually this I
But ये
want.
प्लास्टिक है।
Yes, but the problem is this is too expensive. बहुत महंगा है. So it's for my body. Sorry, and then also I'm very fancy. I have to have Perrier.
Can I get a sip of this, please?
Yes, yes, you can have a sip.
This
of
is a
it.
fully crackpot girl. I want to tell you, she's fully mad, and that's why I love her so much.
Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed.
And what is this?
Okay, so I forgot to tell you because I don't know how the cooking's gonna go, but when I wash my vegetables
You wash an apple cider vinegar.
and baking soda because it takes a lot of the pesticides away.
इतना हेल्दी आज खाना हमारे घर में बनने वाला है. Thanks to Nargis, who's going to wash the vegetables with apple
But also-
vinegar, cider, and
Baking
apple
soda.
and baking soda,
And then
and then with
purified
pure-
water because not from the water from the sink.
No, but we have a RO filter.
Doesn't
na?
matter if it's not boiled. It's
Why
not.
we have been drinking this water for years, me and my children.
I'm sorry.
I hope we are safe.
So this bag is purana, very old.
So give it to me.
It's
If
like
it's
10 years
old.
old. Look, it's very old. But I
It's
love
a
it.
vintage Chanel.
Is it? Yeah,
Yeah.
they don't make the same material
Just
anymore.
like me, vintage.
Vintage. You are not vintage.
I'm vintage. They don't make them like me also
That's true,
anymore.
that's
Are you ready to meet Dilip?
Yes, yes, I'm ready.
Dilip!
जी मैम।
आ जाओ इधर देखो, नरगिस मैम आई है.
नमस्ते सर, आप कैसे हैं?
क्या हो गया?
मैंने बचपन में था तब उनके पिक्चर देखा था
When he was in बचपन, childhood,
Yeah.
he saw your movie.
गाँव में।
कौन सा picture?
मदर इंडिया।
Yes,
पर आप तो बहुत जवान दिखती हो अभी भी।
it's a fountain of youth.
वो-
Good
वो-
healthcare.
वो एप्पल विनेगर साइडर पीती है ना, इसलिए वो जवान.
जी।
इनके बेटे के बारे में नहीं पूछा?
हाँ, आपका बेटा कैसे है संजय दत्त जी?
He's ठीक है.
गधे, ये नरगिस फकरी है, रॉक स्टार की हीरोइन. मदर इंडिया की हीरोइन आएगी इधर खाना बनाने.
हाँ, वो मैं गांव में देखा था ना।
अरे तेरा गांव और तू, चल अंदर चल. इसमें धोना है. ये किनका नाम क्या है?
नरगिस जी।
हाँ, और तू इनको हिंदी सिखाएगा.
हिंदी सीखेगा जी।
Now that's it. Your career is gone.
Is
Dilip,
it?
Dilip
It's
is going to
okay.
teach you Hindi.
Teach me. He'll teach cooking and Hindi.
You teach us cooking.
Today
You're teaching
the
us.
cooking is very
बहुत
healthy.
हेल्दी है, हमारे जैसा नहीं है.
Because
ये देखो, वो बाजी धोने के लिए खुद का लेके आई है.
पानी
और पानी ये पानी से धोने का, अपने लिए नहाने के लिए नहीं रखने का ये पानी. Let's go.
So
Guys, हाँ.
it's
Are
very
you ready?
healthy, the food.
Are you ready? You can wear your chappals and
No,
come inside
no.
the kitchen. Why? Wear your chappals.
I don't
yeah.
like to wear shoes in the house.
अच्छा, okay, but
Yeah.
this kitchen floor
It's
is not
dirty.
sure.
It's okay because it's
We don't
kitchen
know.
food.
Okay.
Outside dirt is not nice. Oh, look all the wonderful.
We got
gobi,
everything for you.
broccoli. आज हम healthy stir fry
Healthy stir fry
बनाएंगे.
बनाएंगे राइस के साथ के.
Rice नहीं, cauliflowered rice.
भाई चावल भी नहीं है उसमें, कॉलीफ्लावर का चावल बनेगा।
So extra vegetables,
सब
extra
vegetables,
sabzi.
all
Sab
and
sabzi.
vegetarian लोग के लिए bonanza. There's no chicken, nothing in it.
No.
This fully
You
vegetarian.
can non-veg can put chicken if they
We
want.
have loads of people who want only vegetarian recipe.
Oh, wonderful.
अभी-
Sabzi dona.
हाँ धोना है।
Dona.
हाँ.
In the
In the,
baking soda or vinegar mixture. So एक बर्तन, बड़ा बर्तन
बड़ा बर्तन दो, बड़ा बर्तन।
और फिर पानी।
वो वाला
So we-
पानी, मैम का पानी।
It's good. Yeah, we can use my पानी.
जा लेके आ बाहर बॉटल है।
Thank
हाँ,
you,
बोलो।
sir.
नरगिस क्या क्या जाएगा इसमें? मशरूम्स।
Mushrooms in Hindi, how do you say?
मशरूम
नाम पानी
मशरूम को
Okay,
हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं दिलीप?
कुकुरमुत्ता
गाली क्यों दे रहा है तू?
नहीं
हाँ?
उसको
पहले तो भाजी धोने के लिए मिनरल वाटर डालिए
Yeah, I
और
like
उसके
to-
बाद पानी में 2 टेबलस्पून बेकिंग सोडा और ये एप्पल साइडर विनेगर जो
Look.
बहुत महंगा होता है, या भाजी से ज्यादा ये धोने का सामान हो गया है।
So then like
फिर
10
इसको-
minutes you're supposed to leave it.
इसको 10 मिनट रख दो।
Yeah.
जब तक ये है तो मैम को हिंदी सिखा।
मैम आप बहुत सुंदर दिख
Oh, शुक्रिया सर जी, आप बहुत हैंडसम।
You don't have to lie to him, it's fine. Even he can't believe it.
मैं आपको हिंदी सिखाता हूँ।
हाँ सिखा।
देखो हिंदी में इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
गोभी,
फूल गोभी।
फूल गोभी,
फूल तो ये है, फूल गोभी, फूल।
फूल और फूल।
इसे क्या बोलते हैं?
Sesame seeds? I don't know.
नहीं सफेद तिल।
सफेद तेल,
तिल तिल
तिल, तिल, सफेद तिल, प्याज,
क्या बात है।
लहसुन,
ओह वेल डन नरगिस।
no, not methi, cilantro,
हरा धनिया।
धनिया, and mushroom.
नहीं क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
कुकुरमुत्ता।
Kukurmuta, kukurmuta.
I think this is sounding very vulgar and obscene. I want
Is
to
that
tell you.
and this pyaz?
हरा प्याज।
Hara?
Hara,
Yeah,
green onion.
onions. Okay.
Got
and
it?
And then green. Is this green? Hara
ब्रोकली को
gobi?
क्या बोलते हैं भाई?
Hara gobi?
नहीं नहीं
Because it's like a gobi.
ब्रोकली।
ब्रोकली बोलते हैं
और
इसे।
इसको
Capsicum.
लाल शिमला मिर्च।
Lal.
शिमला।
Shimla.
शिमला
Mirchi.
मिर्च एक
Oh.
पीला वाला आता है, एक हरा वाला भी आता है।
Okay.
वाह क्या रोमांस चल रहा है इधर, भाजियों की बात हो रही है। ठीक है, ग्रेटर
Perfect.
निकाल, ग्रेटर ग्रेटर।
हाँ
Grater. Yes, we need one. You go like this. You want full the gobi to be grate like this.
ऐसा ग्रेट करके रख ये पूरा गोभी। डू इट लाइक दिस, डू इट लाइक दिस एंड देन से मैं तो थक गई।
मैं तो थक गई.
लाओ मैं
वेरी
करता हूँ।
सेक्सी while doing it. He will do it.
He will do it. Oh, he's a professional.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I wash my hands?
Now that also we have to give you mineral water.
No, I'll
Okay.
wash regular. Anything in the kitchen? No soap here, no Dettol.
We don't like soap ka
No.
taste in our food.
You like extra?
You want to wash with the
No.
with the apple vinegar cider.
No.
Are you going to clean my kitchen now,
Yes,
mad person? अभी एक मेरे को चॉपिंग बोर्ड दे तो हम लोग चॉपिंग करें। Now you say कि तेरे को कुकर मुर्ता कैसा काटना है? Like this is good or you
Yes.
want it smaller?
No, this is nice.
And broccoli?
And broccoli also
Chotu, chotu.
same. Yeah.
छोटू छोटू।
मैम रुको मैं आपको सिखाता हूँ। पकड़ो ऐसे, हाँ इसको ऐसे काटो।
Oh, and fingers.
शर्म तो नहीं आई ना तेरे को मैम का हाथ पकड़ते हुए?
मैम को मैं सिखा रहा हूँ मशरूम का।
ऐसा आज तक मेरे को तो नहीं सिखाया है तूने।
He's taking advantage of me.
Yeah, he is, and you're letting him take it. You love Dilip.
Yes, I
For
love
all the
Dilip's
food
food.
that he has fed
Yes,
you.
he's very good.
मैम आओ ना मैं आपको सिखाता हूँ।
अरे रुक तू आओ ना मैम, मैं सिखाती हूँ तेरे को, रुक। How do you want it? You want it long?
Yes, like long. Awesome.
बड़ा सिखाएगा, आज तक मेरे को तो सिखाया नहीं है तूने। Such a big number ना this guy.
Yeah.
This you want long?
Yes.
Or you
very
want
good.
it cut?
No, like this. It's nice. After he can heat the pan
हाँ.
and with some oil,
No, then we'll come back.
we'll come back. Okay.
तोड़ दे मेरी
Yeah.
उंगली।
हर बार की तरह सब लोग चले गए, मेरे को ही काम करना पड़ रहा है। हर बार मैम बोलता है हाय मैं तो थक गई। सब काम तो मैं करता हूँ।
Tell me, नरगिस, आप यहाँ किस हाउसफुल 5 की शूटिंग के लिए आए हो?
हाँ.
लेकिन बहुत टाइम से हो ना?
Yeah.
How's it going?
It's going good. Lambi shoot.
But are you having fun?
Yes, lots of fun. It's a new glass.
नया ग्लास? Or she just removed the
No,
ice and got
Can
it.
I have a tissue, ma'am?
If you say tissue, ma'am, Nirmala is not going to understand it.
What do you call napkin?
Napkin de hai, kapda do.
Napkin. Wait, not yet.
Oh my God, somebody has OCD. Do
you
you
know-
need me to clean the tissue also before I
No,
give
don't
you?
clean the tissue before. I just like to wipe my...
Clearly. तो आप जब रॉकस्टार के लिए आई इधर तो आप कितने साल पहले आई थी
2010,
14 years
I came
and
to
you were a
India.
kiddo that time
Yeah,
but you were
kiddo.
like 19
I was so young.
oh
So young. Still so young.
you are of course
Yes, yeah. Okay, cheers.
cheers It's better than the normal नींबू पानी
Only
नरगिस
पानी.
मेरे घर पे आती है और ये खुद का पानी लेके आती है और खुद का ड्रिंक बनाती है और खाना भी कभी कभी खुद का लेके आती है
I'm a very independent, self-sufficient
Yes.
young lady.
boring young lady
Boring, yeah. Sorry.
नहीं
so
but now
boring.
अभी
Yeah.
जब आओगी then we'll cook this for you your
Yeah.
stir fry
Yeah. Do you know you were one of the first people I met when I
जब
first came
नरगिस
to India?
पहले आई थी
Yeah.
इंडिया 2010 में
yeah.
और ये सबसे पहले आई थिंक मेरे घर पे आई थी
Yes.
आई जस्ट फिनिश्ड आई थिंक ओम शांति ओम had released
Okay.
and I had little babies
Yeah, small, so
small
small.
they were small they were I think 2 or 3 years
Yeah,
old और
2
मेरा
I
जो
think.
छोटा बेटा था जार he used to only look at your legs
Really?
because
I
she
have a
wore
lot of legs.
Yeah, and she wore really small shorts, looking hot as ever. When you were in Rockstar, which country had you come from? कौन सी country से आई थी?
I was in, at that time, I was living
London?
in Denmark.
Denmark.
Copenhagen.
तो how did they discover you?
Email.
What?
हाँ,
आप
email,
modeling
someone
कर
that-
रहे थे वहाँ?
When I lived in Greece, जब मैं ग्रीस में रहती थी,
हाँ.
I was a model.
Okay.
And I got one job for some jewelry campaign called Platinum Jewelry.
Platinum jewelry.
So as a model, we don't know where the ads are
Ads are
going.
going.
They just say you hired and they pay us and we do the job. I think they were looking for me because of the posters. And so they got my email from the Indian production company that
My
did the
God.
shoot. Yeah, so
But
it's
which
Kismet.
is your country of birth?
America.
America. भाई आपको हमेशा लगा है British है.
No, I don't. I have very American,
American
accent.
accent.
Yes.
True. You are a gypsy.
Gypsy.
Gypsy
yeah.
girl.
What do you call a person like this in Hindi?
Banjara.
Banjara.
Yeah.
So I'm a Banjara.
You're a Banjara.
I hope it's in a good way.
You're a Banjaran. It's a very
Banjara.
good. They're the nomads.
Yes,
The
yes.
nomads.
I'm a Banjara.
Shall we go in and see what
Yes,
the
let's
other
see.
crack Banjaras doing inside?
Dilip, क्या कर रहे हो?
मैम लहसुन काट रहा हूँ
Okay.
ये देखो ऐसा लहसुन चलेगा
Wow. So good. बहुत अच्छा cutting skills.
I just want to tell you, he's cutting garlic.
Garlic.
Yeah, he's not really sculpting some statue or doing some
But his technique is very good.
so good.
It's very good.
Wow. Garlic काट रहा है लहसुन.
लहसुन लहसुन
बस हो गया?
हाँ
Ready?
अभी प्याज और कैसे काटने का है
How do you have
बताइए
to cut the onion?
Also can cut it
लंबा
small
लंबा.
as well. It's just
Small?
like, yeah.
बड़ा बड़ा काट.
You know, it's similar to like Indian food.
You want this onion? Or you
Yeah,
want
I
that?
like this onion for some flavor with the
Okay.
garlic and the...
हमको अदरक भी चाहिए. You want ginger also?
Yeah, you can put a little bit with the oil and the garlic and the
किधर है?
onions.
किधर है अदरक? मैम को देख के भूल गया सब. This guy is having the time of his life and then he goes to the village. His wife jacks his happiness.
His wife!
He has 3 kids.
Oh, 3 kids!
Do not try flirting with him. He has
Okay.
3 big grown-up kids.
Grown-up kids.
He got married when he was 20.
No way.
Yeah,
That's young.
they all do in the village.
Oh, wow. Are you going to
We-
marry your children young?
Are you mad? I got married when I was 40. I've told them अगर 40 से पहले किसी ने शादी की घर से बाहर
But 40 is a good age to get
I
married
think
because
it's a
your
good
brain is straight
you finish, you have done your career
and your
you're
life.
set
Yes.
and how do you want this?
Uh, you know, usually just like slices, but actually the paste is fine. You have a paste?
We have paste.
We could use the paste.
Okay, paste
Yeah.
करेंगे. चलो
Yeah.
गरम करो. Wok को गरम करो. Wok.
So, cauliflower rice here and sabzi here.
दोनों चालू करूँ
हाँ दोनों चालू कर.
Okay, yeah, why not?
You want it roasted? The cauliflower?
Yes, so cauliflower is a little like
No
very
oil.
less oil.
Very less
and
oil.
we want it to be a little brownish to
Okay.
give it a little like roasted, yes.
Roasted,
Roasted. A little dryish feel.
See how much oil.
Very,
This
okay, a little more. Okay, that's it. For the cauliflower.
ये
yeah.
कॉलीफ्लावर राइस
Very less.
पहले
just to
इसमें
like
रोस्ट
coat the.
कीजिए ऑलिव ऑयल
That's it,
ऑलिव
okay.
ऑयल नहीं है तो नॉर्मल ऑयल डाल सकते हो ना
Huh, yeah.
और
healthy.
इसमें कितना ऑयल
I guess a little extra. Okay. Whoa, yeah. It's good. Acha.
You want to put the cauliflower in that?
Is it hot? Is it on?
गरम है हाँ You want this? You want the wooden
Sure, I'll
spoon?
use the wooden spoon. The other day I made some kind of curried chicken.
I wonder what was in it.
A lot of good stuff. And actually, it was a chef that taught me how to do it.
साथ में करेगा दोनों चीज
Yeah,
करेगा
okay.
करेगा is multi talented.
So
Now what do we put in?
we
this?
put the similar like Indian.
But all? Or
no,
put
not
the
this.
onion
I
first?
put the onions and the garlic, I guess. I don't know what this is gonna taste like.
It will taste lovely.
Because
So we can make it like a fried rice.
yeah, like that type
Yeah,
of
healthy
thing.
fried rice.
Yes, yes. The point is to eat more vegetables in life, but not to overcook them.
मैडम जब आती है तो कितना तेल डालता है मैडम के लिए इतना मसाला इतना मिर्ची क्यों डालता है ऐसा
But it was good. We had this. Was it mutton buna?
हाँ हाँ
Mutton buna or
Yeah.
buna gosht or something. It was
yeah.
very nice. Yeah.
ये क्या है इसको ऑन कर तो बिगर गैस के कैसे दिया है तूने मेरे को
गैस चालू था कम किया था
तू चाहता है मैं साबोटाज जो है मेरा now
Now,
make it brown
yeah,
and
we make
then
it a little
put-
brown. Then we put some garlic and then some of the paste in, and then with the sauce, we can make the sauce in a small katori.
हाँ कटोरी ला सॉस ला
Like
बनाने
put
के लिए
the
सॉस को बनाना है you want to make the sauce
yeah
Yeah,
vegetable cube.
है अपने पास क्यूब
I don't have a real recipe, so I don't know what I'm making here.
हे भगवान she doesn't have a real
I'm just
recipe
lying to all of you. No, but I eat this. I'm not lying. I eat this often because it's healthy. And then I need 1 chamuch,
गरम पानी दो
like a cup of garam pani.
इसमें हम डालेंगे गार्लिक डालू
We're waiting for some garam pani.
दे दे मैम को गरम पानी
Yeah.
Nargis
Yes, ma'am.
did you ask for a extra virgin olive oil
I love extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed, but it's fine if we don't have.
extra virgin olive oil
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna move this.
दिखाओ
in here.
मैम को इतना चाहिए ओके और चाहिए
Yeah, you can. That's good enough. How do you say dry?
सूखा
Suka.
हाँ,
Yeah.
अभी इसमें डालेंगे हम मशरूम पेपर और ब्रोकली नो ऑयल नो नमक वमक नथिंग
No, because the soy
Soya
sauce is
has
very
lot.
salty, and you don't want
इसको
too
बंद
much.
करूँ गैस
इसको बंद कर दे गैस
Yeah, this is good. While I do this, I don't want to cook it too much because I like to
we
have
want
it
it
karak,
we want it crispy
crispy.
तो
Yeah.
अभी इसमें जाएगा वेजिटेबल स्टॉक
Okay, I don't think I would do that. I put some of the vegetable stock, stir it around,
हाँ
and then I add the soy as well.
the soy with the chili sauce
With the
and
chili
everything.
sauce, with a little bit of honey for like a
You
balancing
put all
flavor.
that?
Yeah.
Wow. And what about our spring onions?
Oh, we can chop some spring onions and throw it.
I like this.
Yeah, no. So I usually just put these in there,
So we'll just put
not the other ones, and just throw them in there. You go. Right? So
Lovely.
then we just stir it around.
That's
So-
it.
Yeah, and then we have this healthy, and you know it's so low calories, so you can eat so much of this. The cauliflowered rice, this is probably like 10 calories.
That's it.
Yeah, it's so less
भाई
calories.
चावल के बदले ये देखो इसको दो खाने को खा के देख थोड़ा
You can usually you add spices usually, but I
इसमें
didn't.
थोड़ा नमक वमक डालेगा
Yeah,
तो
you can put
चावल के जैसा ही
namak, you
आएगा
can put it's
ना अच्छा नमक
but
डालेंगे
there's
तो और
no
अच्छा
yeah,
होगा
no seasoning on
Soup
this
है।
one, but you can do it anyway. You can add onions here. You can make this Chinese style stir fry instead of rice.
on top of the rice.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, look at that. There you go. Healthy vegetables, so much fiber, vitamins, and the flavor is usually really good.
Yeah, that's done.
That's it.
Coming.
If you want to be slim, I'll give
Get
you
in
all
there.
the recipes to be slim. Amazing.
Is it
shit.
safe to eat?
It should be safe to eat. Let's see.
It's sounding crunchy. I
yeah,
can hear
I-
the crunch.
Not bad. I'm very happy. Yeah, very light.
Listen, lovely.
Yeah.
What is the sweetness for? Honey.
It's the honey. So I don't know in Indian cuisine if they use any sugar in some dishes to balance the flavors, but in like Asian, like Chinese
Yeah,
or like
honey.
Thai food, they add like sugar and honey to balance with the
It's
fish
yummy.
sauce. It's yummy, right? Oh, I'm so happy! Yay!
Vegetarians, be happy. Or non-vegetarians, just stir-fried chicken or prawns and
Yeah,
put
you
it
can
in.
add any kind of non-veg to this meal, and then the vegetarians, they can add any kind of vegetables.
This cauliflower is tasting exactly like chawal.
Yeah, it has that
It's
texture.
exactly like rice.
I hope your fans enjoy this recipe, and
They
I hope they make it and comment.
I think they'll be too busy looking at you to
No, no, no.
really. I wonder what Dilip is doing.
Oh yeah, what is he doing?
जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ, क्या बोलने वाला था मैं मदर इंडिया को?
Dilip!
जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ, क्या कहने वाला था मैं मदर इंडिया को? गर्लफ्रेंड बन जा मेरी, रॉक्स कर जाएंगे दोनों.
Oh!
अरे bugger off!
I'm so sorry. ये क्या कर रहा है तू? ये क्या पहन के आया है?
Dilip, you can play guitar. Play.
जो भी मैं
अरे गा रही हूँ।
कहना चाहूँ,
यार ये आदमी मेरे को मरवाएगा, मेरी सारी दोस्तियां तोड़वाएगा. तेरे को गिटार बजाने आता है?
जी
बजा फिर.
नहीं, मैम सिखा देंगे.
बस मैं सिखाऊंगी या मैम सिखा देंगी. आई एम सो सॉरी.
That's okay.
तेरे को शर्म तो नहीं आई ना ये करके?
नहीं, गाना सीख रहे थे ना,
हाँ.
पिक्चर में काम करने के लिए. आप तो पहले ले लोगे ना, और ये गाना
भाई,
गाएंगे.
मेरा
देखो
करियर क्यों डुबा रहा है तू?
देखो मैं गाना गाऊंगा. जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ, फिर भूल जाता हूँ. क्या कहने वाला था? हाँ, गर्लफ्रेंड बन जा मेरी, दोनों रॉक्स कर जाएंगे.
ऐसा मारूंगी ना तेरे को, जा भाग अंदर. चल. आई एम सो सॉरी.
That's okay. He's a very entertaining human.
क्या लाए हो दिलीप?
मैम के लिए मैं गिफ्ट लाया हूँ.
हाँ, तू लाया है गिफ्ट?
हाँ, ये गिफ्ट
क्या है ये गिफ्ट?
ये है चिमनी है.
चिमनी है ये. चिमनी.
Chimney?
This is a Poweronics infrared cooker for you.
Yes, it looks
you
like I can
cook,
take it on my
you can
trips.
grill.
Since I'm a Banjaran.
Banjaran you can say.
So people like me.
Poweronics
Yeah.
का infrared cooker. I'm
Great,
keeping it
thanks.
here for you.
ये है श्री एंड श्याम
Oh,
का.
so many gifts.
Shri and Sam का tea set.
I love
You
tea.
can sip your green tea.
Yes, no, I
with
do
it.
masala chai.
Wow.
Yeah, I learned, I made it. I have the, what is it? Pestle
The
mortar.
pestle, yeah.
Yeah, and I boil.
ये देखो मसाला चाय अच्छा बनाती है और तुम लोग मेरे को देते नहीं हो. और
ये
ये श्री.
कुकर.
Oh yes,
Yes,
can I
the
cook my
pressure
rajma
cooker.
beans?
Yes.
Yes,
of course.
I love rajma.
राजमा बीन्स. नेक्स्ट
Yeah.
टाइम मैम के लिए राजमा बनाएंगे इधर लाल मिर्ची के और तेल एकदम कम.
हाँ,
ठीक
हरी
है?
मिर्च तो डाल सकते हैं ना.
अरे यार ये आदमी अभी पूरा पूछेगा इंग्रेडिएंट्स. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
Thank you for being you.
Thank you.
Mad as ever.
Thank you. And thank you for liking my recipe.
Thank you.